Yo dudes! Welcome to healthier whole food chocolate Christmas pine cone. Delicious, no bake treats.
What a mouthful. So often at Christmas people don't know.
What a mouthful is right. These are just sensational.
Oh, very good. Often at Christmas people don't know when to stop because they're eating, highly delicious food that's just filled full of fat and refined sugar. These are a much healthier alternative that looks super festive, really easy to make, and genuinely they are delicious. My kids had them last night and they know their fair share of less healthy options. And they said they were delicious. So here we go.
Okay, very simple. First step, we're going to use our food processor. And into that, we're going to go with 100 grams of nuts of choice. We're using pecans. You could use walnuts or almonds.
Beautiful. Okay, blend them until this will dictate how fine your filling is.
And it does make sense to blend the nuts first because you do get a much finer crumb. When you add all the ingredients and blend them, they just don't break down as well. So we've got 200 grams of dates of choice. Just make sure they're pitted.
And on top of that, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
We want a nice chocolate or nice coffee hue to these. So this is optional. We're using decaf coffee and I'm going with 1 teaspoon of ground decaf coffee.
We have 30 grams of cacao powder just to give that chocolate note without adding the fat and the refined sugar. And to help bring this together and add a layer of flavor, nice pinch of salt. And then we've 2 tablespoons of peanut butter.
And we're gonna go with 2 tablespoons of water just to bring it all together.
This is the part where you might have to add more water if it's not coming together, and it depends on how wet your dates are. So just take your time, trust yourself. If it's not coming together, just add a little bit of water.
And if you want to, Steve, could I add 2 tablespoons of orange juice, for example, if I want?
You could put whiskey, whatever you want. 2, 1. So blend until it starts to come to a ball together like this, and it's very easy to shape. That's literally when you know. And this is a nice finer texture because we took our time blending the pecans.
In total, we added about 4 small tablespoons of water. So start with 2 and then add a little bit more until it all comes together. That's when you know it's ready to go.
Okay, this is the fun part. This feels a little bit like arts and crafts. So what we're doing here is we're trying to get a smooth little spherical base.
So you can almost want them like a pudding. It's like a small baby pudding, that kind of shape, isn't it?
Yeah,
or like a small pear.
You might call it making a little egg and just making sure the egg can sit down.
Okay, so needle time. This is now how to turn our little delicious whole food brownies into pine cones. This is the first step.
You have 3 options. Well, you probably have many more, but we're going to show you 3. You could use flaked almonds, you could use pumpkin seeds or cornflakes, whatever you want, just to show there's many different varieties. I'm going to start with just pumpkin seeds. I think these look cool and they're really nice. So grab your little
pine cone base, really.
And we're just going to literally get these. And what you want is that they're facing up. Okay, next up, cornflakes. Again, you could use whatever breakfast cereal of choice. I just love the color, the yellow, and I don't know, there's something about remember cornflake buns as kids?
You could use bran flakes.
Yeah, you could use bran flakes for
Oh wow, these are bigger, aren't they?
And it's only when you do this you realise, wow, cornflakes come in loads of different shapes.
So they look kind of like triceratops, like they're like little.
What's triceratops?
Triceratops is like a dinosaur
that had 3 horns. Really cool, very simple. And what you see, this is the fun part. So it's a fun Christmas activity. Put on the tunes, put on some Christmas carols or festive carols, and to me the
pumpkin seeds or the almonds are very good as well.
These provide a lovely crunch. Like what do you see? They're all lovely in their own way, just like all of us. Okay, so we've melted about 150 grams of dark chocolate. We went with 54% cocoa solids. Go with whatever you like. Okay, so we've melted our chocolate. Pick our little pine cone up carefully. Pop it on a fork. It just makes it drain better. And we're just going to take a spoon and just spoon it over.
Wow.
If you do dip it in, you risk losing a needle. So just
AKA a pumpkin seed in this case. Just make sure to cover them well and leave all the chocolate dribble back in.
Oh, it's gorgeous, isn't it? It's so pretty. Yeah, be generous here. We coated them all, lovely light dusting of chocolate. We're going to just put it in the fridge just to let it set for a few minutes and then we'll dust them with some icing sugar.
Snow!
Okay, they set, they look great. Okay, get your plate ready. I'm just going to cut the feet off, which sounds weird, but often they call this the feet, the bit of the chocolate that has set around down the bottom, just so they finish and they look. Now for one of my favourite moments. I love this. Okay, get your little bit of icing sugar.
So this is snow is falling all around us.
Children singing Christmas songs.
That's really
good.
bad.
The season.
Does look cool.
Love and understanding.
Do look cool.
Et voila! Our Christmas chocolate pine cones. These are a healthier treat that's high in fibre. Genuinely taste delicious. Looks super pretty.
healthier whole food chocolate pine nuts.
Which
Shall
are
we
you
share
picking?
one? If you really like this recipe, we've got loads of recipes in our recipe club. It's literally the price of a coffee per month and a great community there to support you. So I'll put a link to that down below.
And community is key. Often community is the forgotten part. And I think it's often forgotten. Oh, wow. Like they're solid. Like they're great kind of like...
That's pretty filling as well.
Like it's a really good edible gift.
The coffee bit's yummy.
Isn't it?
Yeah, really nice.
Yeah. Thank you for watching. We're the Happy Pear.
Make sure and subscribe if you haven't subscribed for more plant-based, healthier, delicious recipes. Thanks, Mel.
Bye.